my baby came up here. She done changed 3-4 pampers.
Not this type of nanny.
What is a type of nanny?
This type of nanny.
We are the strongest, you can't stop it. Tune into the family, yeah, we locked in. Want a little vibe and you got it. Hit the bell so you know when we drop it. Pull it up on YouTube.
What's up, gang? It's your boy, and I'm back with another video. Hey! London over here right now, but check this out. So Marcia stepped out. She's gonna be coming back here in a bit. So the interesting thing about us is that sometimes we just don't have a lot of time on our hands to be able to produce content at the same time, running two businesses. One that is an underground business, running two businesses back to back on top of doing YouTube in a sense, right? She had been talking to me about getting a nanny. She had been like, it's been a thing. Like, I think that if we can get somebody to come in to help us while we're even at the house. So we used to have a babysitter that would help like watch the girls only when they were older. So since the new baby, Taco, we haven't had an actual babysitter that we trust with the infant that can't speak. So we big on like waiting until they can talk to us and tell us, and then that's when we feel comfortable. But I mean, there's some people here in the city that'll help us, but I don't want to take this too much longer. If you can see the title, you know what's about to happen. I got some special guests that's going to be coming to help your boy out, and so I can't wait till they get here. But Marcia should be pulling up probably not too long after them, and so let's just say her nanny ain't gonna be too professional. We gonna see how this turn out, but yeah, your girl really don't play about the kids, as y'all already know. When my special guests get here, I'm going to shout them out, introduce them to her, sorry, not them, but her, and hopefully, you know what I'm saying, this one take off, you feel me? I think that I'm gonna have her be doing crazy stuff to the kids, like going off on them, or whatever, like right in front of Marcia, like when she come home. So what I'm gonna do is I'm acting like I'm leaving and be like, oh, so you know, I know you just got back home, but you know, we talked about that nanny thing. She gonna be in the kitchen right now whipping them up something to eat. You already been paid, don't worry about it. But you know, if you want to tell her what you need from her, talk to her, get your insight, I already hired her, so she in there. Hey, I don't know how she gonna take it, but we'll see. Yeah. All right, y'all. So we back now, and I got my special guest here. So this is Sarah, y'all.
What's up, guys? Y'all already know who's in his house. It's your girl, Sarah, with the God's H up in this house. Let's get it.
And if y'all don't know who she is, y'all need to go check them out. She is married. Her husband is actually here. He outside in the car right now, but I'm gonna actually have him show up too and then participate, where basically acting like he showed up for her while she's supposedly, you know, being our nanny. Like, what? Why is he here? He's not supposed to be here. Check them out at the Reed Family 7, all right?
Check us out.
Hopefully Marcia don't go too crazy on us, but she on the way right now, so let's get it. Sarah right there, she got the baby right now, so we're about to see how this goes.
What's up, girl? Girl, let me tell you, I'm at this badass house.
Oh, she came in yet. Wait till she come in. Wait till she come in.
Girl, I'm at this house. This is a bad house. Girl, I see they got a 50-inch.
Oh, you remember you wanted a nanny out, so
yeah. Girl, I see the same thing. No, you didn't, girl. Hey, what's up? What y'all doing?
No. Oh, just let me introduce you.
I'm crazy like that. They trying to talk to me and all that. All right.
Marcia, and she was just coming.
Hey, homegirl, what's up?
No, for real. So, I know that, so I remember you were saying that you needed a nanny. I'm about to run somewhere really quick, so she was here helping me out with the girls.
We didn't talk.
I know, but I told you that I was doing it, so.
When did you? What? I'm so confused.
I don't understand.
I don't understand what you don't understand about it. You didn't say anything.
Sarah, Marcia, Sarah.
Yeah, I got it.
No, she got it. You're supposed to have a break. That's the point.
Move out the way.
No, you can just.
No, you can just move.
Oh,
Stop
like,
touching me.
you
And
did
give
it.
me my
You did it.
child. I know I'm
Are
good.
you gonna cook some dinner?
No, I'm good. I got.
She said she was gonna cook
She's
dinner
hungry,
tonight.
right? The baby? Did
No.
you change
You don't have to get her right now.
Sure, but baby, you gotta recycle.
Let me go get you. Alright.
You're right.
I already introduced y'all, so I'm about to get dressed really quick. I'll be right back.
Okay, baby, you got it like right. Yeah, baby girl, you can go. You can leave. I got these. Don't worry about that. I don't. Where did you guys meet? Like what? I'm just. Oh, okay. Okay. Look, don't tell nobody. But back in my day, you know what I'm saying? I did a little, you know what I'm saying? I did a little strip, you know what I'm saying, in there. Maybe, honey, can you go to your room, please, real quick, real fast? Why they gotta go? I'm gonna teach you a twerking lesson. No. Can you go to your room? Yeah, y'all wanna do some TikToks? Go to your room. Yeah. Get to your room right now. Oh, man, you're tripping, sis. I don't know what's your problem. No. So he met you in the strip club? Hey, is this real? What? Baby, you know in the streets, we can get a good 1,500. You're right. JoJo never had stuff like this. What is going on? Okay, listen. Hold on. Cause I'm just, Uriah. I don't understand. What is going on? Like,
What you talking about?
Right now? What do you mean?
I just told you I'm about to go.
Where did you meet her?
I already told you.
Hey, I told you. Uriah?
I don't
What the
understand.
hell is going on? Like, for real.
You asked me to get a nanny. I got
Yeah,
you
but
a
I
nanny.
just walk in here.
She's a really nice girl.
Holding the baby. I'm talking about teaching the
She
kids
married.
how to TikTok and twerk.
Don't you teach them how to TikTok and
Twerk? Yeah.
Yeah, you be teaching them all kind of stuff. So that's the point. She's supposed to implement.
Baby girl, you got a whole lot of ass back there. You can do something with it. You're right. You know what I'm saying?
Stop playing with me.
I mean, I got that cake, but them toes move.
No, for real.
You're not for real.
Bro, why would I be joking about that? I just told you I'm about to really go, and she was helping before you even got here, so she's been here already for a few hours, and she's been helping me.
Yeah.
I don't get.
Does she have a background check? Like, what do you mean? Like, you're talking about nanny,
I had a
right?
check. Clearly, obviously, she wouldn't be here.
And
You the one asked. How you ask for something and now you acting like you don't want somebody here? What is it? What's the difference?
I don't understand what's happening. I just walked in here and she's holding the baby. You're talking like you're leaving. I don't know what's going on. That's what I'm saying. I don't have
about to go meet with my friends.
She's in the baby's diaper bag. Talking about
She's a nanny.
She said we recycle Pampers. Do you know anything about feeding babies or like? Yeah, I got a nipple for them. You listen, y'all play.
She not nipple for the bottle. Like, what are you talking about?
For real? Now, where y'all get
So you don't want to? I thought you didn't want to breastfeed. What does nannies do? I thought nannies help breastfeed, help feed the kids.
Exactly. What do you mean? Help breastfeed? Who is help? First of all, I'm not even breastfeeding. Why would she be breastfeeding my child and holding my child? And I don't know who she is.
It's not that serious.
Who is she? The problem is,
why are you doing this right now?
she keeps talking to me crazy, and you.
She's not talking to you crazy.
You're
right. Her personality.
You're right.
Her personality.
Uriah.
Bro, let me get dressed, man. I can go.
Yeah, you tripping, honey. Where did you? Okay, so here, have you been? Every time you put a new pamper on the baby, make sure you wash it first. Here you go, honey. Recycle, bitch. Recycle. You gonna come take this goddamn diaper? What do you mean? What the hell is this?
What is it?
You recycle? I'm not doing this. I'm not. It keeps the tush and everything from the booty to the tutor all clean. Are you like CPR registered? Maybe like you get like she's been tested. I've been tested. Oh, you mean HIV tested? Oh, baby, let me tell you. I was with I'm talking about like
somebody was at the front door.
monkeypox. What thing on
You
top.
seem like a very nice
Oh, I thank
lady.
you.
I swear.
Thank you.
I love the heels. I love the outfit.
I didn't even think my toes.
You know what I'm saying? But I just can't. You with my kids. My kids are like everything to me. Like, I'm really so like I'm so.
I love kids
I
too,
don't
chickens.
give them to anybody.
Baby, you know why I love kids? Because you get to follow them at the end of the first of the month, end of the month. Baby, you get that 8,000. You feel me? I'm gonna get your Mercedes Benz.
And I'm gonna even drive them out this house. I can't. I'm not gonna get.
Sarah.
Wait a minute, baby.
Sarah.
What's the later? What's the later? I need my ticket.
Sarah.
Who the hell is this?
Oh, what you doing in this
Come on, baby. Hey. Hey.
Uriah,
Whoa.
deal with
Keep
this.
labor. Don't pump that money. Pick that up.
She was on her way out. What are you doing?
I told her. I told her she
Keep
said
my
my
money
son.
up.
You told her that. She said
They gave me a Gucci.
It's real.
They better
You sure?
get up.
no.
I'm trying to figure out what you're doing
We
here,
didn't
though.
give her any.
No, she's supposed. You ain't telling her she was working.
Oh, snap!
She's not working.
You,
She's not working.
what you doing?
Juju ain't here. Juju with my mama.
No, I'm saying, what they got you doing, though?
I'm
Yeah,
lazy.
Nanny.
I'm here.
Do you know who that is?
Who is that?
It's Aaron Donald for the LA Rams.
Oh, hell no.
You
You ain't tell me you roll up on a check. Oh, shit. You can grow up. Big dog.
Big ass house.
Bro, damn.
I'm not him though.
No, you are him.
I'm not.
That's the ring, right?
Yeah, but that's why.
Man, you can't be lying to me right now, man. That's Aaron Donald, man.
You didn't stay with our kids.
No, she's supposed to. I didn't know you was. I know I should.
Exactly. So you want them to stay here
You want to see what that bed
with
with
our
our
Let me
children?
see the bedroom look like. We
No,
working. Hey, y'all smoke up here?
Uriah.
Can y'all smoke
We
up?
just had a newborn. Can you get these people out my house?
Oh, you ain't take
I'm
care of
so
baby.
confused. No. We're not doing this. We're not doing this.
disrespectful.
You got my money's still up in there.
Ain't worried about that. Say, big dog, tell me about the game, man.
You invited them here, so you need to figure out.
The party just
I don't understand what's
I don't
going on.
understand how you asked for a nanny.
Not this type of nanny.
What is a type of nanny?
This type of nanny. What do you mean? What type of nanny? She didn't invite somebody. She's wearing that. I just like it's her.
I said that it was
I'm
okay.
confused. Okay, but I'm not okay with none of this. I need her to go.
Hey, they ain't got no eggs in here.
Did she have a background
Got a
check
couple
or
flakes of
anything?
jelly in there, too.
I know.
This you put it on telling me, and this is your this is your fault.
Hey,
What's up, man?
that's out the refrigerator, man.
We gotta get our money, though,
You
man.
okayed this. You think this is okay?
I already paid you.
See, so she
I
keep
need more because you know Toronto here just.
See,
Hey, how much he owe you?
fuck out.
How much he owe you?
You gave me the bond 300. I'm upping it up to the 5.
Alright, so
Give me the 5. We gonna shoot this bitch up right now. Straight up.
Hey, don't threaten me in my own house. Listen,
Look, that
What is going
I
on?
don't know what.
What do you mean? He's sitting talking about he
I
goes.
only needed her. I didn't. Alright, so can you ask him to leave, please?
We not going.
If you want to get paid, then you need to ask him to leave, and you need to chill out.
Chill out. This is you. I need to chill out. Me.
But she was helping me perfectly fine until you got here.
Check your woman.
Man, hold on real quick, big dog. Listen, my baby that came up here. She done changed 3-4 pampers. She birthed the I said, how you do the birthday?
I went.
Okay, so at the end of the day, that's just that. You owe us $2,000.
This is your fault. And you sitting there just looking like you're looking. That don't make sense. What you mean? What you supposed to do? Tell him to get out.
That's Aaron Donald. He ain't got no money.
Okay.
That's Aaron Donald.
Money.
Super Bowl champion. He ain't got no money.
I was not employed by you. I was employed by him. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah.
Take her right.
I'm not taking it nowhere.
What you need for? She needs to go. You need to go fucking house. If he's not letting us tell you, I'll tell What are you doing?
Ah, that hashtag.
This stupid.
Somebody
Let me introduce you to Sarah and DJ from the Reed family of 7.
Damn right.
I said y'all look like nice people.
Oh, no. You was talking crazy.
I just don't let my kids go to anybody.
That's
That's
what I
all.
heard. That's what I heard.
I'm sorry.
No. You gonna shoot this bitch up, dog?
Shoot this bitch up.
Damn. I ain't know.
Oh my God, y'all got me.
I ain't even know about that one. How you gonna shoot the bitch up?
Hey, you can't tell me over there in Arizona though. I ain't gonna sit up here lie now.
I don't even know who
Hey,
that
you ever been
is.
told that?
Who is that?
You don't know who Aaron Donald is?
From what
The LA Rams.
LA Rams.
Number 99. Google him.
Nope.
Oh,
All
man.
right, we appreciate
Hey, y'all. No.
gas money, right?
Hey, if y'all like this video, man, I need y'all to comment, subscribe. For sure, make sure that y'all go and check out the Reed family of 7, man. I appreciate y'all from coming. Hopefully this one take off for the family.
Right.